This is Bill at Highland Hill Farm. I'm always interested in finding miscellaneous fittings, PVC fittings, pipe fittings, and irrigation supplies. What we like to do here at Highland Hill Farm is, if you have some of these things in your garage, bring them in and we'll trade and barter for trees and shrubs that we grow. And we take a lot of different kinds of materials in trade, and you can see some of these things here that we've traded for. We also have free targets. My father, who is 91, builds targets. He paints these targets and he gives them out free. So don't let your miscellaneous hardware and plumbing supplies go to waste. We can trade them in here at Highland Hill Farm. Give us a call at 215-651-8329. We love to barter at Highland Hill.